हो गया। Sairam children, Sairam class 4, welcome to your EBS class. So, today's class we will start by chanting Omkar 3 times. So, join your hands, close your eyes. Oh, oh, oh. Sairam. So, all of you were waiting for my class. I also enjoyed teaching you. So, stay at home, stay safe. Because this is not the time that we should go to the market, park, or any other outside place. Play indoor games. Ask your mama and papa to play with you. Your brother and sister can play with you. And stay safe, stay at home. Okay, so we were discussing chapter changing families, and a little bit part was left. See, yesterday we have discussed that the age for marriage for girls is 18 years and for boys is 21 years. If before that age someone is got married, then he or she may be punished. His parents may be punished, or the people involved in the marriage may be punished. Now see.
Before the age of 18 and boys should not get married before the age of 21 और इस मैरिजेबल एज के पहले ही अगर किसी की जबरदस्ती शादी की जाती है तो उसे देश के कानून के अनुसार सजा भी मिल सकती है. फाइंड आउट एंड राइट. आर देयर एनी सच चिल्ड्रन इन योर नेबरहुड?
See, are there any such children in your neighborhood who had to drop out of school? Do they want to go back to school? आपके आसपास किसी मेट के बच्चे हों या मिल्कमैन के हों या जो वर्कर काम कर रहे हैं उनके बच्चे हों जिन्होंने स्कूल जाना छोड़ दिया है और उनसे पूछिए डू दे वांट टू गो बैक टू स्कूल डू दे एंजॉयड व्हेन दे वर यूज्ड टू गो टू स्कूल and they want to join the school again. Ask them.
Who had to drop out of school? Do they want to go back to school? क्या आपके आसपास भी ऐसे कोई बच्चे हैं?
Many children who are poor drop out of school and work in some shop, but they want to go back to school and study. You can write your own answer also. What are they doing these days? They may work in hotels, shops, or construction sites, or in some homes to help the household work.
जिन्हें अपना स्कूल छोड़ना पड़ा हो किसी कारण की वजह से. What are they doing these days? They work at a construction site.
Has anybody in your family got married recently? Who? आपके आस की आपकी फैमिली में आपके अंकल आंट दीदी भैया कोई भी जिनके भी शादी हुई है उनके बारे में बताना है. अभी समर वेकेशन में हुई हो या विंटर्स में हुई हो जो आपने अटेंड की हो या आप अटेंड नहीं कर पाए हो पर उनका आपको इनविटेशन कार्ड मिला हो तो उनके बारे में आपको मेंशन करना है.
Has anybody in your family got married recently? Who? क्या आपके परिवार में भी रिसेंटली किसी की शादी हुई है? या फिर आप अपने ओन आंसर भी लिख सकते हैं. What was
What
the
was the
age of
age
the
of bride and groom? So you can ask your mother and father that the marriage which has been conducted recently. What was the age of bride? Bride means dulhan, and the groom or bridegroom, that means dulha. You can write your own answer also.
ब्राइड एंड द ग्रूम, उस शादी में दूल्हा दुल्हन की एज कितनी रही होगी? द एज ऑफ द ब्राइड was 25 and the age of the groom was 27. What kind of dresses?
What kind of dresses they wore? Bride, like lehenga, chunni, kurta. Groom, sherwani, pagdi, pajama.
They wore, शादी में दूल्हा दुल्हन ने किस तरीके के कपड़े पहने थे? तो दुल्हन ने लहंगा, साड़ी और कई सारी ज्वेलरी पहनी होगी।
आपको दिखाई दे रही दुल्हन की पिक्चर? आप देख सकते हैं ना, लहंगा पहना हुआ है, लॉट्स ऑफ ज्वेलरी शी इज वेयरिंग, दुल्हन।
और दूल्हे ने शेरवानी, धोती, पगड़ी, ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस पहना होगा। What kind
ऑफ डिशेस वर देयर? नेम देम। शादी में डिशेस कौन सी थी? ब्रेकफास्ट में जनरली पकौड़े, समोसा, जलेबी, आलू बंडे वगैरह रहते हैं। लंच में बिरयानी, फ्राइड राइस, पूरी, रायता, पनीर की सब्जी। डिनर में भी गुलाब जामुन, पुलाव, पूरी, कचौड़ी, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ चीज सब्जी रहती हैं। तो आप उनके नाम लिख सकते हैं।
डिशेस वर देयर, नेम देम। तो अक्सर शादी में हम जलेबी, समोसा, कचौड़ी और कई तरीके के पकवान खाते हैं, जो आप अपने ओन आंसर भी लिख सकते हैं। और इसी के साथ हमने
The children, now we will watch a video on the types of families which have been changed recently from the Tata class edge.
Meet Jia, Aditi, and Tasneem. Their families have gone through some changes recently. Let's visit each family and learn more about these changes. Jia has a new baby brother. Since then, her mother
Just like Nimmi's family, in which Nimmi has got her baby sister, Jia has got baby brother. So her mother is spending more time looking after the baby brother, and Jia is also very happy to have baby brother. But sometimes she became sad, and most of the time Mama is looking after the baby brother. See.
has stopped going to office. Jia decides to find out why.
Mama, don't you have to go to office today either?
No, Jia. I have taken a break from work to look after the baby. I also took a break from work when you were born.
How will the arrival of the new baby affect Jia's family? Jia and her parents will have to make changes to their daily routine to adjust to the needs of the baby. How do you think Jia feels about the new baby?
Jia is happy to have new baby and her baby brother, and she enjoys playing with him. But sometimes she became sad, as most of the time her mother is spending with the baby brother, as he needs more care.
Jia is happy that she has a baby brother, but sometimes she gets a little sad because her mother spends more time with the baby than with her. What do you think Jia needs to understand? Jia must understand that her baby brother is too young to take care of himself. and needs his mother to take care of him. What must Jia do in
Jia should help her mother in arranging the things of baby brother and doing work on her own.
this situation? She must help her mother as much as possible. Aditi lives with her parents. One day, Aditi notices her mother marking something in the newspaper and asks her about it.
What are you doing, Mom?
I'm looking for a job, Aditi. I used to work before you were born. Now that you are older, I want to go back to work.
Aditi's mother used to work before the birth of Aditi also. When Aditi took birth, her mother has taken break from the job. Now again when Aditi is older enough, her mother wants to join the new job. And in that condition, Aditi have to help her mother and her father also help her mother so that all the family members may live with each other in peace and comfort, and not all the burden comes on the mother's shoulder.
How do you think this change will affect Aditi's family? Aditi and her dad will have to share responsibilities with her mother. What should Aditi do? Aditi should help her mother in whatever way she can. How can Aditi help her mother? Aditi can help her mom by keeping her own room tidy and doing her homework. Tasneem is getting
Tasneem is getting married and she is talking to her mother that after the marriage she wants to live for some time with her mother. But it is not possible as after the marriage in their custom the girl has to shift to the husband's house. Her mother is telling her that when she was married she also has to shift from her parents' home to her husband's home. And now the husband's home is her own home.
married. She has a chat with her mother a few days before the wedding.
Ammi, I will miss you so much. I wish I could stay with you after marriage.
I know, beta. I felt the same way when I was getting married. After marriage, this became my house. You will soon adjust to your new family and become a part of it.
In the Naya community, the husband moves
But it is not the same with each and every custom or community. In the Nair community, the husband moves into his wife's home after the wedding. How is the Tasneem situation different? Tasneem will have to shift from her parents' home to her husband's home, and her husband's family member will be her family member, and Tasneem and her husband's family will have to learn to stay with each other, to live with each other, and to adjust.
into his wife's home after the wedding. How is the Sneem's situation different? In this case, the Sneem will be moving to her husband's home. How will the Sneem's life change after marriage? Tasneem will have a new family and a new role. Each family has different customs and traditions. Tasneem and her new family members will have to adjust to each other. Do changes in a family affect the society? Yes, changes in a family can affect how individuals in a society
See, not only the new family member or the new family we get, the other when the changes in a family takes place, other people also learn from that family that how they are behaving, whether they are adjusting with the new situation or not, whether they are learning cooperation and coordination, whether they are helping each other or not, whether they are cooperating with each other or not, whether they are adjusting with each other or not, that the other family members also learn, whether it is the case of the newly born baby or getting married or getting job or getting transferred or any or death of a person, the way the members of the family behave, the other society members also learn from that.
behave. Observing other families and adjustments that people make in them influences others also. Has your family gone through any changes recently? What was the change? And how did it affect you and the other members of your family?
Now see children, we will play a small quiz. Look at the picture below and say how the family will change. This picture you can see a lady with a newly born baby. Okay, so what will be the case? Number of family member increase, number of family member decrease, family will have to move to a new house, family member will have to go to a city to work. What will be the case? See the solution. Number of family members increase. That we have seen in the Gia's family also and in Nimi's family also. So your guess was correct. Second, which of the following statements about changing families is true? Which is true? We have to find out. A family changes when guests come to stay for few days. कोई मेहमान कुछ दिन आके रुक जाता है तो फैमिली चेंज हो जाती है. A family changes due to the death of a family member. फैमिली मेंबर की डेथ के कारण फैमिली चेंज हो जाती है. A family changes when they shift to a new house. जब वो न्यू हाउस में शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं तब फैमिली चेंज हो जाती है. A family remains the same after the marriage of a girl. फैमिली सेम रहती है गर्ल की मैरिज के बाद भी. क्या हो सकता है? चेंज कैसे होगा? डेथ के कारण. सी द सोल्यूशन. A family changes due to the death of a family member. Amish lived in a joint family in Varanasi. Amish जो है joint family में रहता है वाराणसी में. But when his father was sent to New Delhi from his office, he moved to New Delhi with his mother and his 1-month-old baby sister. What led to change in their family? तो जब उसके फादर का ट्रांसफर हुआ न्यू दिल्ली ऑफिस में तो वो अपने एक 1-month-old बेबी सिस्टर और मदर के साथ न्यू दिल्ली शिफ्ट हो गया. तो उसका रीजन क्या हो सकता है? न्यू जॉब, ट्रांसफर, मैरिज, बर्थ. मैरिज और बर्थ तो दोनों नहीं. आपको क्या लगता है न्यू जॉब और ट्रांसफर में से क्या होगा? चलिए न्यू जॉब में करके देखें. No, not new job, transfer. Correct. So due to the transfer, their family has been changed. The age before which a boy cannot get married as per the law is 18 years, 20 years, 21 years, 22 years. I have told you yesterday also And today again I have told you that for the boy the marriage age is 21 years. A family will not make this change when a baby is born. The mother will take a leave from her job. The father will change his routine to help the baby. Family member will change their routine to suit the need of the baby. Family member will start eating baby food. मदर को लीव लेनी पड़ेगी जॉब से. फादर को भी डेली रूटीन में हेल्प करना पड़ेगा बेबी की. फैमिली मेंबर को भी बेबी के अकॉर्डिंग रूटीन बनाना पड़ेगा. फैमिली मेंबर बेबी फूड खाना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. इज दिस लाइक दिस? सब अपना खाना छोड़कर बेबी फूड खाना स्टार्ट कर देंगे? नो. सो दिस विल नॉट द केस. Okay, so I think this much is sufficient for today. We will meet tomorrow. So we will conclude today's class by doing Shanti part. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sairam children. Thank you and Sairam.